Hi Charlotte, thanks for joining me today. Now you've cited a lot of my design development through this whole project, and so you're quite familiar with it at this stage.
Yeah.
Thank you for providing all the feedback and guidance along the way. I just
You're
want to get,
welcome.
yeah, thank you. Just a quick recap. I'll give you a brief overview of the project again. As I mentioned, you've seen my concepts evolve, and you've provided some really great feedback. I particularly appreciated you pointing out the benefits of capitalising some of the characters in order to use better the space that I wanted to use. And you can see that I've incorporated that feedback into the final designs. In developing my signage, I considered a variety of formats and options. I worked back into a lightbox cube, which I thought, the style of it was quite unique anyway, and it would be eye-catching as well with the colours and the format that I've kind of developed. And also, it could be viewed from multiple angles and would be reasonably cost effective to manufacture. I think the use of contrasting colours in my design makes the sign stand out and creates a fresh, eye-catching look. I use colours which I thought were non-gender specific and would appeal to a wide audience of customers. I'm relatively satisfied with the outcomes that I've achieved, as I think that they suit the brand identity of Good Deed Design and also meets the requirements of the brief. But I was just wondering, with the information that I've provided you with and the final designs that you've cited, if you're able to provide me with any additional comments or feedback on the products that I've developed.
Yeah, sure. No, I think you've done an excellent job. I love the changes that you've made to the lettering, as it were, so that it's quite obvious what it's saying, even though the letters are sort of jumbled up in a way. It's I like that kind of idea that it's jumbled yet still readable. So that's good. I like the light box idea. I kind of think it has something a little bit retro about it as well in some way, which is really nice. And like you say, it can be viewed from all angles as well. So I think that works really well with what you're going for. Yeah, look, I don't know if there's much that I would do to improve anything that you've done. I mean, I'm just looking at your sort of proofing guide for your business cards and what have you. The only thing that's kind of I've noticed with the front of the business card is the fact that you've sort of cut the bottom of the D, the S and the G. Some of the letters on that bottom bit will be cropped off.
Yeah.
Is that?
Yeah. I wanted it to have like a pattern almost feel to it, so it was intentional that it would just be continued rather than trying to squeeze the whole repeat of the logo into the card twice. So
yeah, I quite like. I wonder if maybe you need to sort of cut a little bit of the top off as well, as it were.
Yeah, good idea. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's sort of just shifted up a teeny bit, but maybe I don't know if that will. Because obviously, the tops of the letters are better there. You can still read it if you've got the tops, can't you? Whereas the bottom.
Yeah, no, it's worth considering, or putting the full logo in the middle and then cut-offs on the top and bottom.
Yeah,
maybe.
That's true. Yeah, actually change, because I like the pattern idea and kind of get that. You want that continuous repeat on
Excellent.
it, which is pretty cool.
Do you think the way that I've used shared the letters of each of the words in the logo, does it confuse, or is it pretty easy to kind of comprehend at a glance?
No, I think it's actually really easy to comprehend, because because really you're just sharing the themes, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Everything else is unique for each word, and I think it works like that. Even if. Yeah, I think even if you sort of you work it out really quickly, even if perhaps you didn't get perhaps good, for instance. I mean, it's awkward for me to say now, because I've seen the design. You know what I mean? I've seen it. I've had that first look at it, but so even if you didn't get the good potentially, you definitely get deed. And then you'd get the idea, oh, hang on a second, that's sharing that, so that must be, the D for deed and design are being shared, so it follows that by pattern, and I quite like that sort of puzzle for the eyes.
Yeah, well, that's my intention actually was, I always think I like to intrigue or engage people like that, so even though at first glance it may not completely make sense, they'll pause for a second to try and make sense of it.
Yeah, and isn't that the idea? You want them to pause for a second, hopefully right outside the shop.
Yeah.
And go and buy something.
Yeah, definitely. Excellent. Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate you taking the time to provide a bit of insight to my aspirations for my design. So thanks very much, Charlotte.